This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has taken up with Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal the tension at Umwali under Langpi area in West Khasi Hills district of the state. Assam police had come to Umwali village allegedly to set up a police camp on a plot of land belonging to the resident of Meghalaya. The tension escalated further after personnel of the 11th Gorkha Regiment and Central Armed Paramilitary Force from Assam camped in the area of dispute. Stating that the situation is under control, Mr. Sangma informed that the Chief Minister's level discussion will take place after the budget session of the State Assembly. Meanwhile, the Mizoram government has urged the centre to review the long-pending boundary dispute with Assam. Replying to a query of Congress Legislative Party leader Zodin Luanga Aralte, Home Minister Lal Chamliana said the state government had sent a letter to the Union Home Ministry praying for a review of the issue. He said the government is making efforts to resolve the dispute at Zophai area near Bairabi town along the state border with Assam. The Sustainable Development Goals Conclave 2020 Partnerships, Cooperation and Development of Northeastern States organized by Niti Aayog began in Guwahati yesterday. Donor Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh said significant transformations have been made in the last 6 years in the Northeastern region in terms of development. He said that roads, railways, airports, connectivity has improved in the region during this period. Vice Chairman Niti Aayog Dr. Rajiv Kumar hoped that this conclave would help to mainstream the northeastern states in national development agenda. Dr. Kumar requested each state to place the SDG monitoring units in their respective states to improve the quality of data. Chief Ministers of northeastern states also attended the inaugural ceremony. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal said that religious institutions of all faiths promote human values and lead people towards spiritual awakening. He said this at the launch of Aham Darshan scheme in Guwahati yesterday. Under this scheme, the Assam government has adopted a comprehensive plan to develop religious places of all faiths, including 915 institutions with budgetary allocation of 710 crore rupees. Mr. Sonowal said this helped in reforming human mind and building a value-based society. He urged the people of the state to put united efforts to make Assam as one of the best states in the country. The 10-day budget session of the Meghalaya Assembly will be held from March 13 to 26. According to the calendar approved by the Business Advisory Committee of the Assembly, there will be 7 days government business and 3 days private members' business. Meghalaya Governor Tathagata Roy will address the House on the first day of the session. The state budget will be presented on March 18th and it will be passed on the last day of the session on March 26th. Union Minister for Development of Northeastern Region Dr. Jitendra Singh yesterday said, insurgency, corruption and protected road blockades in the Northeastern region are things of past ever since the Narendra Modi government came to power. Singh said the Prime Minister, through some revolutionary decisions, accomplished several achievements like the Indo-Bangla Land Agreement for Exchange of Enclaves, Bodo Peace Accord and Pact for the Permanent Settlement of the Bru refugees. Addressing the Northeast Sustainable Development Goals Conclave 2020 in Guwahati, Singh said the region is fast emerging as favorite destination for the startups from across India. At least 330 foreigners have been arrested in Mizoram between 2018 and January 2020 for entering the state illegally. Home Minister Lal Chamliana informed in the State Assembly that of the 330 foreigners, 274 were deported while legal proceedings are on for the remaining 56. 3 Bangladeshis were arrested in Lunglei district and Mamed district between 2018 and January this year, and all the 3 were deported. Following the centre's directive, special task force committees have been formed in 3 border districts, Lunglei, Mamet and Luangtlei, to detect and deport illegal Bangladeshi immigrants, he said. He also said that the government has been making efforts to ensure no overstay of foreign tourists. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.